Hi friends, welcome back again to my channel. Merry Christmas to you all and Happy New Year in advance. Hope you all are having fun and preparing for Christmas. So guys, in today's video we are going to be making classic scones. If you want to see how I prepare this scone, keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned while we'll dive into the video. So guys, you want to start by going in with your sieved plain flour, add some salt and add some baking soda. Now combine the salt, baking soda and the flour together. After you have done that, add your butter, softened butter. Now you want to go in with your clean hands and rub the butter into the flour. Rub it until it became like a breadcrumbs. Keep rubbing. If you cannot rub it with your hand, transfer to your blender and just blend for like 3 minutes and it will combine properly, which was what I did. So keep rubbing. So friends, as you can see, the flour has combined properly with the help of my mixer. So right there in, you want to go in with your sugar, next with your beaten eggs, next lemon juice, and milk. So combine that with your stick properly, don't overwork it, just combine. So right now we're going to add our rolling board and add the pastry to the board. You want to roll it, make a round circle. So friends, if it's your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you have watched up to this point, I say a massive thank you to you. I don't take you for granted. Please like the video, leave me with a comment. It's very important to my channel. So guys, as you can see now, I'm tapping on the pastry. I'm trying to get a 2 centimeter platform on which I'm going to work with. So here is a plain flour on my plates. So that's my measuring cutter. So I'm just going to rub it in the flour and push it down to the pastry and take it out nicely. And I'll drop it to my baking pan. So I will do that until I'm done with the whole pastry. So guys, here are the scones after cutting them out. So you want to go in with your egg wash and just rub a reasonable amount on top of it, and after that you take it to the oven straight and bake for 15 minutes. And voila, our scones is ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave me with a comment and like the video. God bless you. Bye bye.